I decide what I choose. I don't need permission to live the truth I use. I let go expectation, I release domination. My mind is not a place for any form of limitation. I define myself by my own definition.
Escape the world, but to see it clearer from the inside. Yeah. My thoughts become water, no judgment, just flow. I listen to silence, it tells me what I already know. Truth is not outside, truth is in the quiet place, where my soul speaks soft without any rage. When I go inward, I return to my real self. Inside my mind, inside my heart, I am free. I don't need approval from reality. My freedom was born from my own clarity. Inside my mind, I am free. Inside my heart, I am free. Everything I see already exists within me. Feel gentle power when I stop needing control. I surrender to the moment, and the moment makes me whole. No argument, no fear. above everything else. Inside my mind, I am free. Inside my heart, I am free. I don't need approval from reality. My freedom is born from my own clarity. Inside my mind, I don't care what they believe about me. Their opinion is not ownership. My soul is not for sale. My mind is not negotiable. They can talk all day, I won't bend anyway. My heart already knows the way. I won't trade truth for what they say. I trust my silent instinct. I follow my inner link. I choose my own alignment. I decide my own statement. I walk my life without apology. I am unbreakable inside. Not even fear can divide. My spirit never hide. I keep my freedom amplified. I am unbreakable inside. My soul cannot be denied. They can make rules of limitation. I make rules of elevation. I protect my revelation. I don't need validation. I release their projection. I stay loyal to my direction. I live pure self-connection. I walk my truth without permission. I walk my truth without permission. I am unbreakable inside. Not even fear can divide. My spirit never hide. I keep my freedom amplified. I am unbreakable inside. My soul cannot be denied. Freedom is not a dream. Freedom is discipline. Freedom is choice, and I make that choice from within. I am unbreakable inside. My soul cannot be denied. I stay free, forever in my mind. Unbreakable.
me to obey, but I don't bend to lesser expectations. I am not built in a fragile way. I won't trade my soul for approval. I won't shrink just to look agreeable. My will is unbreakable, my spirit untouchable. I choose my truth every day I breathe. My will is unbreakable, my freedom unstoppable. I rise beyond the limits they believe. Every doubt they stab is fuel inside me. Every glare becomes another spark. Power isn't given, it's declared. Strength is born from fighting in the dark. I won't trade my soul for permission. I won't edit my own definition. My will is unbreakable, my spirit untouchable. I choose my truth every day I breathe. My will is unbreakable, my freedom unstoppable. I rise beyond the limits they believe. Don't try to cage a fire that was born to burn untamed. My identity is sovereign and it cannot be reclaimed. My will is unbreakable. This is who I choose to be. My will is unbreakable, forever wild and free. If freedom scares them, it means you finally became too real for their comfort. They want a version of me that fits their frame, but I'm not a portrait for them to design. My truth isn't made to be edited. My soul doesn't follow their bottom line. I won't soften who I am for peace. My freedom's not a contract to leave. My truth is untouchable, my voice is unstoppable. I won't bend for any power they claim. My truth is untouchable, my fire is unbreakable. I stay authentic even when they aim. They get afraid when they see conviction, 'cause conviction can't be bribed or owned. I refuse to lower myself for approval. I refuse to trade my silence for a throne. I won't soften who I am for peace. My freedom's not a contract to leave. My truth is untouchable. My voice is unstoppable. I won't bend for any power they claim. My truth is untouchable. My fire is unbreakable. I stay authentic even when they aim. I'm not here to perform submission. I'm here to embody liberation. My truth is untouchable. I stand wild and free. My truth is untouchable. This is who I'll always be. I choose peace, I choose calm, I choose my own frequency that nobody can control. I don't rush for approval, I don't chase validation. I let my soul move natural, I trust in silent elevation. No one else decides how my energy must be. I live easy free, just flowing naturally. Simple clarity, it's luxury to me. I live easy free, no pressure on my identity. I align with my own harmony. I live easy pretend perfection, truth is enough for me. No one else decides how my inner peace must be. I live easy free, just flowing naturally. Simple clarity is luxury to me. I live easy free, no pressure on my identity. I align with my own harmony. I live easy free. I live easy free. Freedom can be calm, freedom can be soft, freedom can be slow and still be strong enough. Freedom can be calm, freedom can be soft, freedom can be slow, still be strong enough. I live easy free, simple clarity
the noise we make. They fear the day we finally refuse to be quiet.
You try to measure what I'm allowed to feel. You try to filter every truth I say. But I was never built to fit your small world. I choose my own fire anyway. I won't shrink just to keep things calm. I'm not here to stay polite and numb. I am the fire that can't be silenced. I am the voice that won't obey. Freedom inside me is defiance. I'll never let them take it away. I am the fire that can't be silenced. Unstoppable every single day. You can try to twist pressure against me. You can weaponize the doubt and fear. But every strike you throw just fuels my engine. You only make my purpose crystal clear. I won't shrink just to keep things calm. I'm not here to stay polite and numb. I am the fire that can't be silenced. I am the voice that won't obey. Freedom inside me is defiance. I'll never let them take it away. I am the fire that can't be silenced. Unstoppable every single day. Freedom doesn't ask permission. Freedom isn't something they assign. Freedom is born from inner collision between who they demand and who I define. Who I I am the fire that can't be silenced. I will not break or fade away. I am the fire that can't be silenced. Forever wild, forever free. Today I am the fire that can't be silenced. I will not break or fade away. I am the fire that can't be silenced. Forever wild, wild away. Today this is not rebellion to destroy. This is not rebellion to exist. This is freedom to be real. This is freedom to be made. taken from me, because I never surrender it. You think I crumble just because you push? You think I break just cause you disagree? But every time you try to force your limits, you only sharpen what lives inside of me. I don't shrink small to make you feel tall. Your domination means nothing at all. I stand, never on my knees. My freedom is a force you won't seize. I stand, never on my knees. No chains, no fear, no treaties. I stand, never on my knees. My spirit doesn't ask permission to break. Final. I don't negotiate my inner fire. I don't sign contracts for my belief. I define myself without consulting. I am my own authority. I won't shrink small to make you feel tall. Your domination means nothing at all. I stand, never on my knees. My freedom is a force you won't seize. I stand, never on my knees. No chains, no fear, no treaties. I stand, never on my knees. My spirit doesn't ask permission to break. True freedom begins when approval stops mattering. Fighters! Fighters! Never on my knees! Forever wild and endlessly free! Never on my knees! My chains are clear, no treaties! Fighters! Fighters! I delete every limit from the inside. I decide how I move. I decide what I choose. I don't need permission to live the truth I use.